Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram, on anything, maybe photos, maybe video on Telegram. So let's dive in. So you want to send photos on Telegram to someone, and you don't want the person to store the photos on your phone or to have access to it later. You just want him to view it for just once. Let's dive in. That's how you do with your disappearing messages. So let's go to Telegram. When you open your Telegram, sorry, now this is it. The first thing you're going to do is go and open the person, the chat you want to send the disappearing messages to. So okay, sorry guys, I'm going to use plus. There's no one you can use. You can use plus, you can use your normal Telegram. So I'm going to use plus here now. So okay, so you choose this person. You can search for the person for easy access here. Click on it. Now you can see this is a chat of one person, and I want to send the disappearing messages to this person now. So just click on what you want to send. This is the arrow. Sorry guys. This is the arrow to send picture files. This is it here. Just click on this. And this is it. You can see, so I'm going to choose one thing here. I'm going to send. So if you want to quickly have access to other features, just click on this your arrow and it will come here. So I'm going to quickly take something now. Alright, click on this. Now to send this now. If you look at this space, this is the timer. It's called it timing. Click on the timing and this is it. So now how long do you want this to be seen? You can see few ones. So once you click on this few ones, let's click on it again, few ones. It is going to fill this up once, and immediately they fill it, it's going to disappear. Let's get straight to it. You can see that put to yours. Just click on this your mark. Sorry. Okay, you can click on send. You can see that I've sent it now. So I'm going to go and show to see this what I'm talking about. So I'm going to open this thing. This is actually what I do now. Let me just go back to it to for you to see what I'm talking about. Okay, now let me scroll up and see the message. Okay, this is it. This is the picture I just sent now. Immediately I view it, you can see that it's going to disappear. Do you see it here is disappear? So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.